Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need your personal Facebook logged in on mobile, a business page or plan to create one, and a business email. Open the Facebook app, tap Menu, then Business Suite or Business Manager to start. This is faster than desktop for simple setups. Once done, choose Create Account, enter your business name, and assign your business email. Make sure to pick an admin you control so you can add assets, people, and set permissions without delays. Next, you'll link pages, add accounts, and Instagram so everything is managed centrally. From Business Manager Mobile, go to Settings then Accounts to add page or connect Instagram. This allows shared permissions and unified billing. Add people by email, assign precise roles like admin or analyst, and explain why. Least privilege reduces risk. Create or claim your ad account and add the Facebook pixel to track conversions. Once configured, double-check billing info so ads can run without interruption. Finish by verifying your business if you plan to run ads at scale or access restricted features. Submit documents via verification in settings to avoid future blocks. Enable two-factor authentication for admins to protect accounts and reduce hijack risk. If something fails, like claiming a page, first retry the claim, clear app cache, or switch to desktop for complex ownership conflicts. That usually resolves token or permission bugs. If verification is pending, continue adding people and assets so work proceeds while waiting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.